Today we're checking the Orion MotorTech 14-piece AC and fuel line disconnect set. I'll share what matters in actual use and what to expect if you bring it into a home garage or a small shop. You will find a link to purchase this and other models at a discount in the description below the video. You can place your order right now. I can't show hands-on footage today, so I'm walking you through a clean screencast with specs, close-ups, and my notes from similar disconnect tools in service bays. On the table, you get a mix of plastic and metal disconnects aimed at fuel lines, AC spring lock couplers, and transmission cooler fittings.
Did you know that the best discounts on Amazon last only a few hours? That's why I launched 2 channels where I publish the highest discounts on Amazon products in real time every day. Follow the link in the description and subscribe to our Threads and Telegram channels right now to consistently save money on your everyday purchases.
The common fuel sizes covered are 5/16 and 3/8, with larger diameters for AC like half, 5/8, and 3/4 spring locks. The kit's value is coverage. For quick connect styles used on many GM, Ford, and Chrysler vehicles, you'll usually find the size you need. The case is compact enough for a top drawer, and the parts are color-coded so you can grab the right diameter fast when a car is stuck on the lift. Operation is simple in theory. You depressurize the system, slide the correct tool over the line, push into the fitting to spread the internal spring, rotate slightly, then pull the line free while maintaining pressure on the tool. With fuel lines, a dab of lubricant on the collar helps. With AC spring locks, seating the tool fully is key. If you're off by a millimeter, the spring won't open. On cooler lines near the radiator, corrosion builds a ridge. Rotating the tool as you apply steady pull usually wins. Build quality is mixed, and that's normal at this price. The plastic disconnects are fine for clean vehicles and for learning, but they can flex on crusty fittings. If you mostly work on high-mileage northern cars, expect some frustration. The metal pieces hold up better but have basic finishing. A quick deburr on the inner lip makes them slide more smoothly. The case latches are serviceable, not great. If you toss this in a mobile cart, add a strip of tape so it doesn't pop open on the move. Coverage compared to a 31-piece master set is the big question. The 14-piece kit hits the common jobs: fuel filter changes on older return-style systems, AC spring lock service, and many transmission cooler lines. The 31-piece master adds oddball sizes, specialty couplers, and duplicates so 2 techs can work at once. If you only need the basics a few times a month, this smaller kit makes sense. If you're the go-to person for line work, the larger master set saves time by eliminating size gaps. Let's talk results. On cleaner fittings, this set works as advertised. On rusty lines, you'll spend extra time cleaning, and you may crack a plastic tool if you try to pry instead of seat and rotate. For stubborn GM spring locks, a small pick to clear debris before the tool goes in is worth it. For Ford fuel lines with internal O-rings that have hardened, expect the first release to be the toughest. Once everything is apart, replace the O-rings and add a light coat of appropriate lubricant on reassembly. Honest cons. The plastic components can round off under side load. The color coating is helpful but can wear off with solvent. The case foam is minimal, so pieces rattle. The instructions in budget kits are brief, so if you're new to spring lock systems, plan to watch the diagrams closely. Also note this isn't meant for heavy-duty diesel quick connects or aftermarket AN fittings. Different tools apply there. If you push this set beyond light to moderate service, you'll want metal-only disconnects and a few brand-specific tools. Practical tips to make it work better. Always relieve pressure before disconnecting. Use safety glasses. Fuel mist and AC oil are not friendly to eyes. Mark line orientation so reassembly is quick. Keep a brass brush and a small pick in the case to clear grime. When a fitting refuses, seat the tool, twist the line gently, push in, then pull out in one motion. Yanking straight away usually fails. If you're fighting every fitting, stop and check that you're using the exact diameter. One size off makes it impossible. Who should buy? DIY users doing an occasional fuel filter, condenser swap, or transmission cooler repair will get value from this 14-piece set. Small shops can keep it as a backup for common sizes. If you're doing line work weekly, consider stepping up to a fuller master kit so you're never hunting for the one size this set lacks. Bottom line, for the price, the Orion MotorTech 14-piece disconnect kit covers the essentials and gets you through most gasoline quick connect jobs. Expect to do a little prep work and accept that plastic tools have limits. If that trade-off works for your workflow, it's a reasonable buy. If not, the 31-piece class is the safer bet for constant use. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more straight shooting tool reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.